Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use AliExpress coupons feature for extra savings on your orders. So now let's get started. First of all, open the AliExpress app on your mobile device. Simply tap on the coupon section on the product page. Now here at this page, you will see tons of coupons. Now simply tap collect to get coupons. After collecting the coupons, you can simply apply the coupon under use coupons to see your at checkout. You can simply apply the coupon under use coupons to see your discount. And you can stack different coupons for even more savings. So that's it. This is how to use AliExpress coupons feature for extra savings on your orders. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.